red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first read A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids night E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color, yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids night I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use blue color, blue color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids night L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use black color, black color. It's again use black color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids night O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids night R. R for rose, R for rice. And use white color, white color. Kids again use white color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids night U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. And use red color, red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids night X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. And use yellow color, yellow color. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, and here is red color, O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids night 4, and here is yellow color, F O U R 4. Kids again use yellow color and draw 5, F I V E 5. Kids night 6, and here is blue color, S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8, E I G H T 8. Kids night 9, and here is black color, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. Kids night 11, the numbers of 11, and here is green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12, kids again use green color and draw 13, the numbers of 13. Kids night 14, the numbers of 14, and here is white color, white color. Kids again use white color and draw 15, the last numbers of 15. Red color, red color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and here is red color, red color. Kids now draw B for ball, B for bat, and here is blue color, blue color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and here is black color, black color. Kids now draw D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and here is yellow color, yellow color. Kids now draw E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and here is green color, green color. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and here is red color. O-N-E-1. Kids 92. The numbers of 2. And use blue color. Kids 93. The numbers of 3. And use black color. Black color. T-H-R-W-3. Kids 94. The numbers of 4. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids 95. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids 96. And first draw square. The shape of square. And here is red color. Red color. It's not a circle. The shape of circle. And use blue color. Blue color. It's not a triangle. The shape of triangle. And use black color. Black color. It's not a heart. The shape of heart. And use yellow color. Yellow color. It's lusty Easter. The shape of Easter. And use green color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Black color. Black color. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. White color. White color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids now C. C for cat. C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids now F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F and use blue color. Blue color. G. G for God. G for grapes. H. H for hand. H for helicopter. I. I for eyes. I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw K. K for kite. K for king. Kids neither L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon. M for mango. Kids neither N. N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. Kids neither P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose. R for rice and use green color. Green color. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use green color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for uncle. U for umbrella. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for van. V for violent. Kids neither W. W for watch. W for wallet and use white color. White color. Kids again use white color and draw X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Kids again use white color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers and first is the 1. The numbers of 1 and use yellow color. Yellow color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3. T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. Kids neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. Blue color. S I X 6. 7 S E V E and 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids again use blue color and draw 9. N I N E 9. 10 T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.